Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can claim and withdraw your MemeFi token directly into your OKX wallet. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to tap on where you can see airdrop. You can see right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on airdrop. So guys, can see here is the next step. This way we're going to find the amount of MemeFi token that has been allocated to you. You can see mine right there, 906.24. So guys, now let me scroll downwards. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see claim to OKX Web3 Wallet. You can see it right there. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. But guys, if I go ahead now to tap on it, there's something important you have to check before you go ahead to do that. You must first of all check if your MemeFi is connected to your OKX wallet on SU. So guys, let me show you guys how you can check it. So let me go back now. Let me just go back. Let me tap back. Then what I'll do now is to tap on wallet. So let me tap on wallet right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here, your airdrop wallet. As you can see there, you can see what's written there. They said connected wallet. So this is the wallet that is connected to my MemeFi. This is the OKX wallet that is connected to my MemeFi, and this wallet address here is my SU address on OKX. So guys, now you can see it right there. You can see it right there being encircled. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go over to our OKX wallet to confirm if this wallet address right here is our SU wallet address on OKX. So guys, that's what we need to do now. So guys, now just take note of it. Just look at the address. You can see it begins with 0x59 and it ends with 4A87. So guys, now let me go back now. Let me go over to my OKX wallet. So guys, now you can see I'm on my OKX wallet. So now the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on crypto. You can see crypto is selected. What you have to do next now is to scroll down to look for SU. You have to look for SU among these cryptocurrencies right here. But in case you can't find it, what you have to do now is to tap on this menu icon on the right hand side. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it right away. Then what you have to do now is to search for SU, and you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the top. So let me tap on it. So guys, what I'll do now is to type in SU. So let me type in SU, SUI. So guys, now you can see SU right there at the top. So what I'll do now is to tap on the plus icon on the right hand side to add it up. So let me tap on it. So guys, now I've added it up. So let me go back now. Let me go back to the crypto section. So guys, now you can see we're back to the crypto section. So what I'll do now is to refresh. So let me refresh. So guys, now let's go back now to look for SU among these cryptos right here. So guys, now you can now see SU right here. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Let's get to see what the wallet address looks like. Let's see if it is the same thing with the one we saw on our MemeFi mining bot. So guys, now you can see it right there. You can see the SU wallet address right there. You can see it begins with 0x59 and it ends with 4A87. The same thing with the other one. This shows that our MemeFi is connected to our OKX wallet on SU. You can see that both wallet address are the same thing. So guys, let me go back now to MemeFi. So I'll show you guys how you can claim it real quick. So guys, now you can see I'm back to my MemeFi mining bot. So let me tap on airdrop. Then let me scroll down now. Let me tap on claim to OKX Web3 wallet. So let me tap on it now. So guys, now you can see what's written here. They say check details once again before claiming. So let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see the details. So you can see the balance of my MemeFi token allocation. You can see it right there, 906. Then the fee is 105 MemeFi. So they are going to be charging us a fee of 105 MemeFi. Then what I'm going to be receiving in my OKX wallet is 801. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, like I said, be sure that your OKX wallet is connected to your MemeFi before you go ahead to tap on confirm. I don't want anyone to lose his or her airdrop. So guys, be sure of that. This is a very important information. So guys, let me tap on confirm real quick. Wow guys, can see what's written there. Transactions are loading. Please wait. You can see claimed token. You can see the amount of claimed token, 801.24 MemeFi token. So guys, let me cancel out now. So guys, now what you can do actually is to wait for this to reflect in your OKX wallet. You can just go ahead now to go over to your OKX wallet to see if it is already reflecting. And also guys, you can see my balance right here now is 0.0. This to confirm that the transaction is already going on. You can see that it is written success. The airdrop is on its way to your connected wallet. That is my OKX wallet. So that's what you have to do now is to go over to your OKX wallet so you can find your MemeFi token that has been deposited there. It might take some few minutes or few hours to start reflecting. collecting. It all depends on how MemeFi is able to run it quick. It all depends on how fast or how slow MemeFi is going to run this transaction. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to claim and withdraw your MemeFi token to your OKX wallet. So guys, I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.